Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to link tables here in Airtable. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Airtable, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Linking tables here in Airtable is a powerful feature that allows you to create relationships between different sets of data, similar to how relational databases work. And by linking tables, you can reference records from one table in another, allowing you to organize and manage your data more effectively. Now, here's how you can link tables here on this platform. Number one step is gonna be that you have to ensure that you have two tables, or at least two tables that you have on the file. For example, in my case, I have the Deep Labs content. And then I'm gonna make sure that this particular one is for the one who creates the videos, and one is creating the thumbnails, and one is doing the back end work, right? Now, all you have to do is go to the section here. There's going to be a file. All right. Click this, and we need to add another field. And that's going to be linking to another record. I want you to click on it. And I want you to click on creating a new table. You see? Now, here you have multiple options. I'm going to, for example, create this as this one for now. And you can have the option to allow linking to multiple records. You can add description if you wanted. All right. And then all you have to do is create this field. Right. Now, what happens was, as you can see, I'm going to make that in. You have now created and linking tables here on this platform. Once you have created that, you have more options to edit the field, add a lookup fields if you wanted, right? Find a field name, and for example, that you can add it as well. And of course, you can particularly edit this field name. For example, this is gonna be something like the finished product for Deep Labs. Uploaded, or kind of like that, depending on your file and workaround. I'm going to save it as it is, and we have successfully linked tables here in Airtable. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.